Alright, so we're looking into the clunking noises that people are getting when they're installing their coilovers. The reason is that they're using 034 strut mounts. The 034 strut mounts, this center piece right here, as you can see, is too thin. So once you put that top nut on the suspension, there's a little bit of play inside here, which is causing clunking. Now, what 034 has done to combat this flaw inside their mounts is they started including a washer. The washer can be installed right inside here, right on top of the strut rod, and then put the strut mount on there and bolt down. But today what we're doing, since everybody has already installed their suspension, nobody wants to rip it back out. So what we're going to do is we're going to install the washer on top. We're going to remove the top nut while it's still in the car. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's pretty simple. With the weight of the car on the suspension, on the rod, and already resting on everything. Alright, so first things first, we want to remove the seal here, and we want to get into the range tray. There's a little clip here at the bottom. I'm going to use a little hook tool here. And hang on to that, because that's what's going to keep things together. Once you have that popped off, everything's pretty simple, Simon, from there. Now there's the top screw cap. Pop that bad boy off. Alright, if you have one, this is going to be a 22 mil deep socket. For me, I'm going to be using a straight bar here that's going to basically lock in. Boom. Already loose because, well, they're already making noise and it's already loose. Now, one thing that I did do is I actually put a jack under the car to relieve some of the tension. The rod camber angle was a little hard, so I couldn't get the socket in there right away. Just to get past this top lip. Alright, so I got it down there. There's a few threads left before it needs to get fully tightened. I'm going to go ahead and loosen the jack up to put the pressure back down on the car. Alright, now that we're all torqued down, let's just go ahead and reassemble everything. Pull the other side, do the exact same thing. Get both sides torqued down to where they need to be with the washers to give the thickness and the strength to be able to stay locked down. So, alright, let's go take a road test, make sure everything's buttoned up.